Hello. Do you want to become more creative? I'm sure you want to. So in this video, I'm going to share with you ideas to start becoming more creative. However, before proceeding further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, stay connected. Why should anyone become more creative? For the simple reason that it's fun. It gives you much richer experience of life in comparison to not being so creative. So what is it that you can start doing to become more creative? First simple thing that I always suggest is, and I do practice also, is that start engaging in any art form. Whether it is singing, dancing, music, sketching, painting, doodling, whatever suits you, do that. And the kind of fulfillment, kind of satisfaction, kind of energy that you get out of it, you can start using it in other work that you do, and you will notice you are more creative in handling any other work also when you engage in any art forms. So this is the first suggestion. Second suggestion is start asking right questions. To solve a problem, you create a question. Now, I'm saying it in a very different set of sequence. To solve a problem, you create a question which will ultimately solve that problem. But understand, the question that you are asking may not give you the best answer. Let us say you want to increase your reading speed. And the question that you are asking yourself is, where can I learn to increase reading speed? Right? Now this question may not give you the best answer. What shall you do then is, you need to start creating more questions around the problem that you're facing and then pick up the best question which will give you the best answer. Now, one of the things that we have learned right from our early childhood days, that simple technique of 5 W's and 1 H. They give you the kind of questions that you can start asking. Make that a part of your life when it comes to asking questions, and you will notice your whole horizon starts changing. So what are these 5 W's and 1 H? What, why, when, who, and where? These are 5 W's, and 1 H obviously is how. When you start asking questions by using these question words to begin with, you will notice your perspective of whole issue that you are dealing with substantially enhances. So this is the second thing that I suggested. Third important thing that you can do is become a little more open-minded and start becoming more aware. And what I am suggesting, two things that come up here is, start becoming more open simply means when people are expressing themselves, listen to them. That is a sign of being open. Listen to them, and then that information that gets absorbed, you can process that. Second aspect to become more aware is activate your sense organs. Why I am saying and emphasizing that is because I notice that over a period of time, our sense organs become very subdued. When you go out on a walk outside, do you observe the birds? Do you observe the butterflies? Do you observe different colors of even leaves in a plant? Do you observe the colors of different flowers which are around? May or may not be. So start activating your different sense organs. One of the best ways to do that is, let's say you have to activate your eyes. So just focus on your eyes, look around and start noticing what all is there around you. And you will notice perhaps many things which have not come to your attention earlier. Similarly about making use of your ears and so on. So start activating your sense organs. That will help you to start becoming more creative. Fourth idea that I'm sharing is start becoming an expert. And what do I mean by that? You must have come across this understanding about becoming an expert, that if you invest 10,000 hours in doing anything, you are likely to become an expert in that. Do that. 10,000 hours. So when you start focusing on becoming an expert, that means you're going deeper and deeper into that. And that helps you to become, gain expertise in that, which will help you to solve problems in that particular area much more easily. The last suggestion that I'm giving is become a little more playful. Become a little more playful, whether it is playful in terms of solving puzzles or playing games with other people or watching humor or just being playful, having fun with your family members and so on. That will also release a lot of tension from your system, and that release of tension helps in going towards making you more creative. Pick up any of these ideas and share your experiences with me.